Understanding, recreate, dive into its meaning. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into the English language to understand an interesting word. Recreate. By the end of this video, you'll know its various meanings, how to use it in sentences, and some common misconceptions. Let's jump in. Recreate is a verb and, at first glance, might remind you of the word recreation. That's no coincidence. Let's break it down. Re, a prefix that often means again or anew. Create, to bring something into existence. When combined, recreate generally means to create something again or anew. 1. Physical creation. 2. Example, after the old bridge collapsed, the city decided to recreate it using modern materials. 3. Emotional and mental renewal. 4. Example, a weekend in the mountains can help to recreate one's spirit and energy. 5. Replication of an event or situation. 6. Example, the museum aims to recreate the atmosphere of a 19th century marketplace. Recreate versus recreation. While recreate is a verb, recreation is a noun referring to activities done for enjoyment. Pronunciation. Be careful with emphasis. Recreate, with stress on the first syllable, typically means to create again. On the other hand, recreate, with stress on the second syllable, might be confused with the act of engaging in recreation or leisure. We hope this video cleared up the meaning and use of the word recreate for you. English is full of such fascinating words, and every deep dive enriches our understanding. Until next time, happy learning, and always stay curious.